aalis siya bukas for papuntang Abu Dhabi. And sa mama ko naman, for upcoming birthday this April 15. So, I hope you like this song. And then it goes.
Tulungan nyo. Ay, asan na? Yan na lang. This one na lang. Okay, pag alam yung song, this is for you, Te and Nicole. Ay, busy.
Brought to you by Pinoysma.ph.
www.
Hey, www.pinoysma.ph.
And if you know the song, join us in thanking the mom and the sister of Junel. Happy birthday and bon voyage for Nicole. Okay. Saan yung mga usok-usok dito?